with 2 cares, paid up the hooks, we are ready to go. Cool heads prevail, skills are learned, we use our experience to win. Cold weather, no issues, waves with 2 cares, paid up the hooks, we are ready to go.
G'day Shaggers, how are you? I just wanted to show you how the Shag team does the post-production of all the videos you see. Remember, I'm a fisherman first and not a special effects or photographer like the professionals have. Starlows, Roger, the beach fisherman. I'm just giving it to you how it is. But this here is what I've done. Say for example a Coogee. So I've got all the clips from Coogee through here. You can see my cursor going through here, which I've got from my GoPro, and I've dropped them down into my timeline. Now that timeline comes with the audio all the way here, and then I watch it and I do an edit. Now the edit process is involved because sometimes I have to edit out the swearing, then cursing, which is not nice, and also trying to blend the clips in as best as I can to have that thorough sequence going all the way through. I piece it down through there and I put my intro in. I'm a big intro man. I like it. I know it's old school, but it gets the vibe for me going because I actually enjoy doing in this. And then I've dropped all my intros in. So what I'm showing you this for is that you may see the hours of footage condensed into say 24-25 minutes. Now I know a lot of the other guys, they might go out for 4 days and condense their videos into one long shot. At this stage I don't do that. I actually do the one shot and show, but in some locations, because I've gone to a different tide or a different area, I want to give it a second chance. So then, but I'll put that in the film. So I've dropped all my stuff into the timeline, and I get this. So at the moment, this is my little intros, which I like doing. A bit of groove music that I made up, and I get all that. Now also if I want to go to the big screen, I can pause that, and then I can actually go up to the large screen, and then I can hit that and I can see how my blending is going. Okay, so I've now got the larger screen, which you'll see on your TV.
Okay, Shaggy, so we're coming down there in the Coogee now.
So I do that now. I get that in like that, so I can actually go back, so I can find all the little niches and glitches that I have in the program, so I can sort of give a smooth transition for you. So I just wanted to share that little bit of behind the scenes stuff that I do. Normally CJ films with a drone and his GoPro. He hasn't brought it out quite a lot at this stage, so hopefully we'll get him to give some other aspect of his catching when he comes along. But just wanted to show you the process of behind the scenes of any YouTuber that does this. Like, okay, Vegas Pro 20 I'm using. Some use Adobe, some use DaVinci, a whole range of things, or other people do it professionally and they upload it and they do it all. But unfortunately, I do it all myself, and it takes a little bit of time and effort, but I enjoy it. And that's what goes into actually breaking down a 26 minute video for you guys. We can actually condense it shorter, depending on what, how we go on the day, or if there's just a lot of crappy shots. And I tell you what, I do a lot of crappy shots. I'm still mastering this one. I think Bronte was a cracker, where at night time, and I didn't know there was a sort of a 4K resolution which I could actually use to get a little bit more light on that. But as we learn and we go. But yeah, that's a little bit about the background for it. And I've like I can put this. I like the song, so virtually I can put this song in through here. I'm a bit of a rocker, so I've taken that down into that area through there.
Wow, did you see that light? Now's the time to strike. Take it easy. to go.
Oh, I like that song. Jeez, I like that song. I do the songs by AI. I've got an AI program which I put together and put those in. Not many of you guys care about that aspect of it, but I do like a little bit of a vibes, a little kick-ons that I put on there. I do have a video on the channel which is the Shagging a Rock 12 biggest hits and misses that I put together, which was a lot of fun with old footage of the fishing that we went on. That was great fun. So I just don't do it for the views, I just do it for a source of entertainment, and it's really positive that all the team, all our fellow shaggers out there are watching it and criticising what I do or not doing or giving me ideas. It's really appreciated. So that's a bit of the behind the scenes of the shag editing team.
Wow, did you see that bite? Now's the time to strike. Take it easy, bringing it in. The fish almost always win.